Okay, now start with K-map. So before K-map, first see there are two types of Boolean forms. That is the standard form and canonical form. Now, SOP form. SOP form, that is sum of product form. Suppose if we want to write this x, y, plus yz plus xz, then it is in the form of SOP, that is sum of product. This is a product because there is nothing that is that means there is a multiplication. There is nothing, it so it means there is a multiplication. So this is a product form, this is a product form, this is also a product form. So this is together we say this as sum of product form. Okay, then for doing the K-map of sum of product form, we have, suppose K-map of two variables. Okay, let me show you. K-map of two variables. Suppose let us have an example of any gate, logic gate. So let us think that is OR gate. OR gate, its truth table is like that: A and B, and this is F. So if A and B are 0, 0, then OR gate, that means the plus operation is there. So remember this, that means OR gate is the plus operation. So 0 plus 0, it must be 0. So next, if the value of A and B, if the value of A and B are 0 and 1, then if we do the plus operation, the output is 1. Output will be 1. And if the value of A is 1 and B is 0, then also the addition operation will give us the result as 1. And for value of A and B, 1 and 1, then the output will be 1 plus 1. So it would be what?
1.
0.
1.
1.
Then we have to draw the truth table or K-map for this output. So for output, and for two variables, here are two variables A and B, so we have to draw a K-map like this, because two variables, so 2 to the power 2, that means
4
4
boxes.
4
Boxes.
boxes will be there. Okay, now see, we may take A here and B here. So B can have two values, either 0 or 1. A also may have two values, either 0 or 1. Now we have to draw this K-map. This is the K-map for two variables and for this output. So now we need to put these values in this K-map. So where we will put this? This is for M0. So we can write it M0. This is the min term form, so we will write as small m, M1, M2, and this is for M3. So this field is called M0 field. This is for M1, this is for M2, and this is for M3. So now we have to put these values. So 0, 0, that means A value is 0. For this cell, A value 0, B have value 0. So we need to put here 0. For this cell, what we have? For this cell, the value is 0,
1.
1.
One.
A
1,
value
1.
is 0 and B value is 1. So
1.
we will write here 1 because we have 1.
Yes.
Yes.
Now for this cell, we have 1 and here we have 0. So see,
M1.
value of A is 1 and B value of B is 0. So this cell, that means M2. So we have to put here 1.
1.
Again for 1, 1, that is A have value 1 and B have value 1. Then M3 is also 1.
1.
Now we have to combine these or group these in this way, that is pair. We can make a pair of 2 or pair of 4 or pair of 8, that is power of 2. Okay, so we cannot make a pair of 3 values. So this is a pair. So now we have f equals to, there will be a function. We can get a function using this K-map. So we can combine these or group these using only those values which are not changing. That is, value of A is not changing. For that we can get a function value, or value of B is not changing. So if we can pair these, what are the values of these cells? The values of these cells are, for A it is value is 1. For this row, remember, listen it very carefully. For A, these cells have value 1. Okay, but B is changing. This cell value is 1, 0, and this value of this cell is 1, 1. So B is changing. For this cell, B have the value 0. For this cell, B have the value 1. So we cannot take B because B is changing. But we can take A for these two values. For these two values. Okay. So it should have A. A means 1. Why A means 1? Because it is not complemented form. If it is the value of A was 0, then it should be, we have to write here A complement or A bar. But here we will not write A complement or A bar. We will write A because the value of this cell and value of this cell are 1. Okay. But we will not write B. And now for this cell, okay, for these two cells, that is for these two cells, okay, value of B is 1, but value of A is changing. Value of this cell is A, value of A is 0 and value of A is 1. So we cannot take A, but the B is same. B is 1. 1 means B and this is 0. 0 means B bar. We can also write it as B bar and this we may write as B. In this way, here also we can write A bar and here we can write A. So the value of these two cells or grouping these two cells, we can get the value B. This is B. Okay. Now take us another example. Suppose we are taking which gate you want to take? Any other gate?
XOR.
XOR.
XOR. Okay. XOR. So what are the outputs of XOR? Okay. Now let us do XOR. So now XOR. Oh, now let me design the circuit for this function. Okay, first we have to design the circuit for this function. So this is A, this is B. So if we want to design the circuit, we have to take two inputs. It is A, it is B. So we have to do two inputs, A and B, and the output is F. But here is which gate? OR. So we have to take the OR gate here. Okay. I know it is very problematic to handle this mouse. Okay. This is OR gate. So this is F. So this is the circuit for this corresponding function. Now we have to design this XOR gate. So now A and B, two variables are also there. So this is the K-map for two variables, XOR gate. So this cell have the value 0 and this cell have the value 1, or we may write it as B bar, and this is, sorry. This is B bar, that is 0, and this is as B. So either we may write it as in this way. So this is, and here the value of this cell is A bar, that is 0, and this is A, that is 1. Value of A is 1. Now for XOR gate, we know what is the XOR operation, XOR operation. XOR operation is A bar B plus A B bar. A bar B plus A B bar. Okay. Now let us check this. So first, for doing the truth table, we should have A and B, and this is F or Y, anything else. So the combination of two variables must be 4 combinations here. So 1 0 and this is 1 1. Now for doing this operation, that is A bar B, so 0 0. First initially we take 0 0. Value of A is 0, value of B is 0. So A bar, that is 0 bar, it is 1 into
0.
B means 0. This is 0 plus A B bar. So A is 0 and 0 bar, that means 1. So it is 0 into 1, that is 0, plus 0 into 1, that is also 0. So it is 0.
0.
But 0 and 1, for 0 and 1, the values are A bar, so 0 bar, that is 1, and B, A bar B, B is 1, plus A B bar, so A is 0 into 0 bar, that means, sorry, 1 bar, that is 0. Okay, so it gives us result 1. So we get here 1. Now in this step, 1 and 0. So for this combination of inputs, we can get a bar, that is 1 bar, that is 0, into b, value of b is 0. Next, a b bar. So a means 1 into 0 bar, that is 1. So again we will get 1. And for 1 1, so for 1 1, here's some question. For 1 1, we can get 1, that is 1 bar, that is 0, into b value 1 plus plus a b bar. A means 1 and b bar, that is 1 bar, that is again 0. So again we have 0, because 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0. So we get here 0. So this is the output, and we have to, how we can get the function. So the function, first we have to put these values, that is m0, for m0 position it is 0, for m1 it is 1, for m2 it is 1, and for m3, that is 1 1, value of 1, b value is 1. So for this cell it is also 0. So we can see that we cannot make any pair from these two cells because these are diagonal. Because, okay, so we cannot minimize these two cells or group, we cannot make any group of these two cells. There is no common part here. So from this cell the value is a b bar. From here it is a, and from here it is b bar. Actually row wise these two cells will have the value a, and column wise these two cells have the value b bar. These two cells also have the value b, but for this cell the value of a is a b bar plus b bar, sorry, a b bar, and for this cell a bar b. A bar b. So this is expressed as a XOR b. This is the symbol of XOR gate. So the circuit is like that. A and B, two values are there, but XOR symbol is like this. So here it is A, and here A and B. Okay. Now let us think another example. Let us take another example of three variables. Suppose we have a function f equals to x bar y z plus x bar y z bar plus x y bar z bar plus x y bar z. So here you can see that there are three variables x, y, and z. So we have to design the truth table like this: x, y, z, and here the function. So 3 variables we have to design. 2 to the power 3, that is 7 combinations will be there. So we have to write the combination first. That is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, sorry, 0. Actually, we have to 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. Now what we'll do? See the value of this function, this part, this SOP part. So you know SOP, that is sum of product form. X bar means 0, y means 1, z means 1. So 0, 1, 1 is the value of this function. So where is 0, 1, 1? See, where is 0, 1, 1? This position. So the value of this position is 1. Okay. So now, what is the binary value?
3.
3.
3, ma'am.
3. So we can also write it as M3. This is M0, M1, M2, because we have to put these M values in the K-map. Now, for this SOP term, what is the value? X bar, that is 0, y, that is 1, z bar, that is 0. So 0, 1, 0, that is 2. Now, what is the value of this SOP form? X, y bar, z bar, that is 1,
0,
0,
0,
0. Good.
0,
So it is 4,
4,
M4.
M4.
Yes, it is M4. Now for this, the value is 1,
101.
0, 1. So it
M5.
is M5. Now the remaining parts will be 0, because remaining parts are not mentioned here in this function. So we will put 0. Okay, these are zeros. Now we have to design the K-map. Achha, okay. There are 2 ways to design the K-map for 3 variables. This is a pattern. Another one pattern is this is a pattern. So any way you can use. I prefer this one. So we can write x here, because x have only 2 values, either 0, that is value of x may be 0 or maybe 1. And other 2 variables we can put here, y and z. So the value of y and z for the first cell, it is 0, 0. Next it is 0, 1. Next it is 1, 1. And last we will write 1, 0. See here, 1, 1 comes first. Okay, it is the rule. 1, 1 have to write first, then 1, 0. In this way, M positions will be changed. See, this is M0, this is M1, this is M2, this is M3, this is M4, M5, M6, and M7. Okay, now we have to put the ones. For which position the value of m is 1. See here in this function or in this output of the truth table. This is the truth table, t/t, that is truth table. So here m2, where is m2? Here we put 1. m3 is here 1. m4 is here 1, and m5 it is 1. See here, these two cells and here these two cells are close to each other, so we can group them together or make a pair of these two values. So there are two pairs. Now we have to make one term for each pair. So from here, from these two cells, which value of which variables are changing and which variables are not changing, we have to find out that first. So write f equals to, see here, which value is changing here? Value of x is same for this row, whole row, value of x is same. But y is changing, y is also same for these two values. But
Z is changing.
z is changing, z, value of z is changing. So we don't take z in our function. So which variable changes its value, we will not take that one. So it is x, because a value of x is 1, so it is x, not x complement. Okay. Now value of y is 0, so it would be y bar, x y bar. Okay. Plus, for these two cells, we can group them together because they are close to each other. So what would be the value from these two cells? Value of x is 0 for this whole row, but these column values are changing. So value of y, we can say here y value is 1, here also value of y is 1, but value of z is changing. Once it is 1, another time it is 0. So we will not take z again. So the value of x is 0, so it would be x bar, and value of y is 1, so it is y. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So again, you can see that this is also an example of XOR gate. Isn't it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
taking the Z value, but X and Y, we may design it as this is the X, this is the Y, and Z is not doing nothing. So this is the function. Now take us another example. It is a big example because we will use the sum of function summation symbol here. Okay, summation symbol. So yesterday last day you have see that summation symbol is used for sum of product. So let us take an example here. F, that is function, when we will write in this form, that is within bracket, so we have to give the variables that we are using for this function here within this first bracket. So suppose we are taking 4 variables. So first I show you 2 variables schema, next I show you 3 variables schema, now I will show you 4 variables schema. Okay. Now W, comma, X, comma, Y, comma, Z. So how many variables are there? 4. Now, using summation symbol, we have to write the m values, small m values, that is the min terms. Okay. So we are not giving the expression in the form of a, b, c or a w, x, y, z or w bar, x bar, y bar, z bar. Not in this way. Just putting the m values. So it is 0. Write in your copy 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13, and 14. Are you looking or sleeping? Now we have to put the values directly to this K-map. So this is a 4 variable K-map. Okay. So how many cells we have? Anyone?
16 cell.
Good.
16 cells.
16 cell. Why? Because
To the
here
power
Four
4
variables
number of
are there.
variables.
4 variables. So 2 to the power
2 to the power 4.
equals to 16. So for binary, sorry, for 16 means 0 to 15, okay, including 0. So the binary terms starting from 0, 0, 0, 0, because 4 variables, so 4 zeros will be there, and maximum value will have 4 ones. So starting from 4 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, ending to 1, 1, 1, 1, that is 50. Now we have to design 16 cells here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it is 16 cells. So we have to write Wx here and here Y, Z. So 2 variables in this side and 2 variables in this upward direction. Now put the values of m. This is 0, 1, 2. So which cells? Now first, this is the first one. So I am writing these m values. Okay. So starting from m0, I'm not writing m. These cells are too small to write the m. So I am writing just the values. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. The cells are organized in this pattern.
Ma'am, someone is asking if she can take WY instead of WX.
Anything else, but you have to write the function in this pattern, in this way. Okay. Now for 0, it is 1, it should be 1. So which cell is 0? This cell. So WX, so this value of this row is 0 0, that is W bar X bar. This is 0 1. So WX bar. Now it is 1 1, and so WX, and here it is 1 0, so WX bar. And the value of these cells for these columns Y and Z having the value 0 0, that means Y bar Z bar. 0 1, that is YZ bar. This is YZ, that is 1 1, and here it is 1 0, that is YZ bar. Okay, now write down in your copy. So here it is 0, so we have to put 1. Here it is 1, so that is M1. For M1 position we have to put 1. This is 2, M2, so we have to put 1 here. 4, cell 4, we have to put 1. 5, 1. 6, 1. 8, 1. 9, 1. 12, 13, 1, 1. 14, 1. So now how we will do the pairing? How we will make the pair? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. So we can make a pair of this whole. So we are making a pair of these variables. This is a pair. So from these 8 variables or 8 values, separate values, we can get just only one value. I am showing you. And here we can make a pair of these 2 cells, and separately we can make a pair of these 2 cells also. Otherwise, one thing is there, if you make a fold of this paper or of this K-map, suppose we are folding one paper, so these 2 variables, with these 2 variables, it comes together. If we fold, if we make a fold, then this part and this part will come together. So we cannot take these 4 values, because 4 and plus 2, 6. So 6 is not possible. So we have to take 2 plus 2, that is 4 variables together. So from these 2 values and from these 2 values, we can make a pair of 4 variables. Okay. I told you that we can make a pair of 2, either 2 or 4 or 8 or 16. So we cannot make a pair of 6 or 12 in this way. Okay. So from these 2 cells and these 2 cells, if we group them together, so we can get a value. How? See here, what are the values? This is Y Z bar, and this is Y bar Z. So these are changing. No, here it is 0, here is also value of Z is 0. So it is not changing. But here, in these 2 positions, value of X is changing, but W is same. So if we group them together, we can get a value of W bar and Z bar. See, X and Y are changing, so we are not taking X and Y with these two values. So this is a very minimal form. Excuse me, write it. I'm coming just for 5 minutes. I'm taking a break of 5 minutes. Okay. Are you there?
Yes,
Sneha,
ma'am.
are you listening? Okay. Now see, from these 8 variables, which values of variables are changing? See, X value 0, 1, 1, 0. So it is changing. Value of W is 0, 0, 1, 1. It is also changing. But value of Y is 0 here, and here also it is 0. So Y is not changing. Y bar is here. But Z is changing also. 0 and 1. Okay. Can we change the color of the pen? I think it is not possible. Oh yes, it is possible. So see here, for making this group, can you see? Here it is a group. Now, here it is a group with these values. So we are getting this from here. Now, from here. So the value is just only Y bar plus another group is there. We can group these two variables together. So what will be the value? That W is changing, so we will not take W. X, value of X is same, so it is 1. So it is X, and another here for this column the value is Y, same 1, that is XY, and Z is 0, so Z bar. So this is the simplification form of this big lengthy function. Just use Kmap, and how minimization is possible, see, just only 3 values. Okay, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you have not understand yet. I am making another example. I'm just giving another example. See, okay, let us take f equals to f equals to a bar b bar. Everyone is sleeping.
No, ma'am.
Oh,
No, ma'am.
I think only Seer does the class.
Eh?
No, no, ma'am. Everyone is doing the class.
Everyone is there, ma'am.
The girls are sleeping then.
No, ma'am.
কে নাক ডাকছে আবার?
না
আচ্ছা,
দেখছি না,
তোমরা কি কোড বিটাতে
বিদ্যুৎ চমকাচ্ছে।
রেজিস্ট্রেশন করেছো?
হ্যাঁ
কোড
ম্যাম,
বিটার
অনেকে করেছে মোটামুটি।
অনেকেই না, সবাইকে করতে হবে। রাজীব স্যার আজকেও ফোন করে বলেছেন করতেই হবে, ম্যান্ডেটরি মাস্ট। যাই হোক, now this is our second example for 4 variables. See here, this is for first example 1 and this is second one. See here how we can understand that this is 4 variables. Here it is a b c d. So here is not d is not present, here a is not present, here d is not present, but in this one part we can see 4 variables. So we can understand that this will have 4 variables. So we will make a K-map for this.
Hello, ma'am.
বলো।
Oh, it's okay. Okay.
So we can write here A, B, C, D. Okay, so for this first expression, A bar, B bar, C bar, that is 0, 0, 0. And we don't know the value of D. So we may take it as 1 or 0, both. So value, if we take 0, then the value of A bar, B bar, that is value of A bar, B bar, that is A, B, is 0, 0 here, 0, 1 here, 1, 1 here, and 1, 0 here. Again here it is also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. So for these two positions will be 1. Why? Because D is not written here, so value of D may be 0, may be 1. Okay, so we have to put 1 in both positions. Here A is absent, so we don't know the value of A. Here B bar, that is 0, 1, and D bar, that is 0. So we have these values, but we don't know the position for A. So if it is either 0 or 1, so 0, 0, 1, 0. So which value? Which part? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0.
First row, last column.
And if it is 1, 0, 1, 0, that is 10.
Last row,
1,
last
0,
column.
1, 0.
Last row, last column.
Yes, this one.
Last column.
Last row, last column.
Last
Yes.
row, last column.
And for this we have 4 variables here, so definitely 0, 1, 1, 0. Bar means 0, and without complement we have 1. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1,
Second
1,
row,
second.
Second row, last.
last column.
And this is, here D is not present, so we can have either, first we have to write the values 1, 0, 0, and in this position we may have the value
0,
either 0 or
1.
1. So 1, 0, 0, 0. So 1
Last row, first column.
and 1, 0, 0, 1.
second column.
Now how we will group them together? আচ্ছা তোমরা এই পার্টটা বুঝেছিলে, এই যে ফার্স্ট এক্সাম্পলটার এই পার্টে যেটা আমি লাল দিয়ে দাগিয়েছি গ্রুপটা? Do you understand this part? This
হ্যাঁ
red
ম্যাম।
one.
হ্যাঁ
If you
ম্যাম,
if you fold one paper, then both the ends of that paper comes together, so we can make the group.
সেকেন্ড এক্সাম্পলেও সেম জিনিসটা আছে।
Yes, it is also here. See, in this diagonal position, 4 diagonal position, we have 1, so we can group them together in this way. Okay, so now write the function f equals to, so value of the first cell is 0 0 0 0, and this cell 0 0 1 0, so 0 0 is same. Okay, now for this cell 1 0, and for this cell it is 1 0 0 0, and it is 1 0 1 0. So which value is not changing? Which value is not changing? B.
ম্যাম ডি
B and D naki?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম বি আর ডি।
B and D. So but the value of B and D is 0 0. So we have to write it as B bar and D bar. Okay, now we have to make a pair of another variables, so we can make a pair from this. If we fold them again in this way, so we can make a group of 1 2 and 1 2, so 4 variables. So what will be the value of these 4 variables? Minimize value. So the value of these two cells are 1 0 0 0 and 1 0 0 1 and 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 1. So A is changing, B is not changing, C is not changing, but D is changing. So we can write this as B bar and C bar. C bar plus now we can make another pair here. So what will be the value from these two cells? From these two cells, that is 0 0. Value of A is not changing, value of B is changing, C is not changing, D is changing, so it is A bar
CD
C D bar. Okay, so this is the minimum form using the 4 variable K-map. Okay, we can also use 5 variable or 6 variable K-map, but it is not too much used for solving that 5 or 6 variable K-map. Generally we use Quine-McCliskey method. I will tell you later. That is also called tabular method, so that I will show you later. But for 5 variables C, just C, we will use 4 variables and again 4 variables. But if we use here B sorry, AB, and here CD, again here AB, and here CD. Then for fifth variable, suppose it is E. So here it would be E bar, and here it would be E. Understand? So this is for 5 variables K-map. Understand?
না ম্যাম এটা বুঝলাম না।
বুঝলে না? এখানে ই বারের জন্য এবিসিডির ভ্যালুটা যা হবে হবে, আবার এখানে ই এর জন্য হবে। তাহলে কি হলো? ই এর জন্য আর ই বারের জন্য দুটো আলাদা কে ম্যাপ হলো, আর এবিসিডি সেমই থাকলো। তাহলে আমরা টোটাল আলটিমেট আমরা 5 ভ্যারিয়েবলস এর জন্য মানে এক্সপ্রেশন পাবো।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
বুঝেছো?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
এখানটা ইউজিং হবে ই বার, আর এখানে যা বেরোবে তার সাথে ই থাকবে।
বুঝেছি।
ম্যাম আরেকবার বলুন না।
এটা দরকার হয় না অত, তোমরা 4 ভ্যারিয়েবল অবধি শিখলেই যথেষ্ট। ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, আরো দুই একটা কি এক্সাম্পল দেব? আরো দুই একটা দেই। ওয়েট, 1 মিনিট দাঁড়াও। Okay. Suppose we have uh, problem কোথায় আছে? Okay, suppose if of A, B, C, D equals to summation of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. So we have to draw the schema. Here we can see it is up to 15, so we need 4 variables, that is 4 variable schema, or it is also can be understood from this function, that is f of a comma b comma c comma d. So 4 variables have already mentioned. So now let us take a, b, c, d. So we have to put the values here: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So 1 means, what is 1? 1 means 0, 0, 0, 1. 3 means, we write M1, M3. So value of 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. 5, it is 0, 1, 0, 1. 7, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now, Shagor, tell me
Yes, ma'am.
what is the value of 9? What is the value of 9?
1 0 0
0, 0, 1.
1.
Now, oh, 2 Shagars are there. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
And the other students, I cannot see them. Uh, Aman. Aman, tell me what is the binary value of 11? Binary value of 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Binary value of 11.
Hello.
Can you hear me? What is the binary value of 11? Are you sleeping? Aman, are you sleeping? This boring class. So 11 is 1, 0.
1011.
Yes,
Okay, now
1 to 1, 1. And 13. Now who will tell me?
11.
এই চুপ, রোহিত বলবে না। আর কে আছে? Where are the girls? Shushmita. Now Shushmita, tell me. Shushmita Mondol. Tell me the value of 13. Binary value of 13.
Ma'am, 1,
Yes.
1. Hello.
1
Hello.
and
1, 1, 0, 1.
0, 1. Okay.
1.
And 15, I will not ask anyone. 15 is very easy. So now we have to put the values here. This is 0, M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7, M8, M9, M10, M11, M12, M13, 14, 15. Now we have to put ones for these values. So 15 is here. So we have to put 1. 13 we have to put 1. 11 we have to put here 1. 9, where is 9? Here. 1. 7, 5, 3, and 1. Now it looks good, and I think it would be easy to make the group. So now we will make the expression if equals to. Now tell me how the group will form.
একটাই group.
Active group, complete one group. It is very easy. So what will be the value now? Aman, are you hearing me? Or Laboni?
Hello.
Now Aman, tell me
Hello.
what will be the minimized function?
Hello. Hello.
You can't hear me? Aman,
Ma'am, voice is not coming. Ma'am, your voice is not coming properly.
I can't hear you properly. Okay, Aman,
Ma'am,
tell
there
me
is
the
raining
function.
here, so voice is not coming properly.
Sorry, I can't understand. Okay, Laboni, can you try?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay. Now tell me what will be the minimized form from these 8 cells or from this grouping.
0, 0, 0, 1 and
0, 1,
1,
1,
1.
1. So here first see what is changing and what is not changing. This value of D
C
is
value
not
is changing.
value
C
of
value is changing. C.
D is not changing, but C is changing.
C is changing.
And here all values are changing.
Yes,
Isn't it?
ma'am. All values. Yes, ma'am. All values are changing.
All values are changing. So we will only get D.
C.
Okay. So it is the minimized form.
ম্যাম
Yes, tell me.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম একটা কোয়েশ্চেন আছে ম্যাম
বলো।
বলছি কি এই কে ম্যাপ হ্যাঁ ম্যাম এই কে ম্যাপ গুলো কি ম্যাম অনলি ওই এসওপিডি কি হয় না পিওএস এর হয় ম্যাম
ওগুলোরও হয়, ওগুলোরটা আমি এখনো দেখাইনি তো।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
ওগুলোতেও
ওকে
হয়। ওগুলোতে
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
কিভাবে
ঠিক
হয়
আছে
দাঁড়া আমি বলছি, ওটাও বলছি।
ঠিক আছে
প্রোডাক্ট অফ সাম তো হলো, সরি প্রোডাক্ট অফ সাম হয়নি, সাম অফ প্রোডাক্ট হয়েছে তাই তো। প্রোডাক্ট
হ্যাঁ
অফ
ম্যাম
এই যে দেখো, here each non-complemented variable is 0.
জিরো
Non-complemented variable having the value 0 and the complemented variable have the value 1. So see here one is here is one example. Let us take this example. No, I cannot. So x bar, y bar, z bar, w. Now see, 3 variables will be better. Here a b c. A bar plus b plus c. A bar plus b plus c. No. A bar. Now let me write first. A bar plus b plus c. A plus B bar plus C, A plus B plus C bar. So this is the expression. So in this way, we have to solve this. So A bar plus B plus C. So this is in the form of POS, product of sum. And another one is A plus B bar plus C. And another form is A plus B plus C bar. So we have to design this K-map for these variables. First, okay. So again we have to write here A and here B plus C. Okay. Now first see what are the values from this and this. What are the values we can get from here? So first one, that is A bar in POS. So what, each non-complemented variable is 0 and each complemented variable is 1. Each complemented variable is 1. So it is A bar. So complemented variable is 1 and this is not B complement. So we will write 0. Here it is also 0. So all the complemented values are 1 and it is not complemented, so it is 0. And here it is also 0. And for this, here it is not complemented, A is not complemented, so value of A will be 0, value of B will be 0, and C is complemented, so complemented value will be 1. So these are the values that we can get from this POS expression. And now to put the POS forms or POS expression into the K-map, we will put zeros here. Okay. No. We will put 1 here, but we will group the zeros. See, this is 1 0 0. That means this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 1 0 0. We in which position? Here. So we will put 1 here for this POS. And this is 0 1 0. 0 1 0 here. So again we will put 1. And this is 0 0 1. 0 0 1 here. So now we have to put the other cells 0. And now we have to group the zeros. Okay. And then we will finally get the expression or minimization form from the K-map. Actually, we are grouping the SOP form. These zeros means the SOP positions, and these 1 positions means the POS position. So we will group them. That is, from these 2 cells, we will get 1 0, sorry, A C. So the expression will be A C. It is in the form of SOP plus, for these 2 cells, it is A B plus for these two cells A, B, C. No, A is changing, so it is BC.
BC only.
BC plus this cell only, so it is A bar, B bar, C bar. This is the SOP expression. Okay, in the next class I will tell you again.
হ্যালো ম্যাম, একটু লাস্টেরটা একবার বলুন। এ বার, বি বার, সি বার।
এই যে for this cell, first cell,
ও
for this cell in the form of SOP 0 0 0. Okay.
ওকে।
Okay. Now this is the end of the class. Again we will meet on Monday. Monday is holiday or not? Auditro Basu,
জানি না তো ম্যাম, মানে এরকম কিছু তো শুনিনি।
ওই যে রাখি আছে তো, একটু শুনে নিও,
আচ্ছা, জেনে
খবর
নেবো।
নিও। যদি ভ্যাকেশন থাকে মানে হলিডে থাকে তাহলে আমাকে একটু জানিও, আর না হলে আমি আবার ক্লাস নিয়ে নেব, ঠিক আছে? আবার
Yes.
এগুলোর উপরই আরেকবার মানে আরো কিছুটা কে ম্যাপ বা সিম্পলিফিকেশন ওগুলো আমরা আরেকটু ঝালাই করে নেব, ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আর
তারপরে
ডু নট কেয়ার সিচুয়েশনটাও আছে।
ও হ্যাঁ, ডোন্ট কেয়ার তো এখনো করাইনি।
হুম হুম।
ডোন্ট কেয়ার করিয়ে দেবো তাহলে মানডেতে, আর টুইসডেতে নতুন তাহলে আমরা অ্যাডার গুলো স্টার্ট করব,
ওকে ম্যাম।
ঠিক আছে?
ম্যাম আজকের অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স কি রেকর্ড হবে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ক্লাস করেছো, রেকর্ড হবে না কেন? অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স সব